Did you know you can profit from price differences between crypto exchanges? This strategy is called arbitrage trading, and today, I'll explain how it works and how you can get started. Crypto arbitrage is the process of buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange, where it's priced lower, and selling it on another exchange where it's priced higher, pocketing the difference. For example, if Bitcoin is $100,000 on exchange A and $100,300 on exchange B, you can buy it on A and sell it on B for a quick profit. Simple arbitrage. This involves buying on one exchange and selling on another. It's straightforward but requires fast execution because price gaps close quickly. Triangular arbitrage. This involves trading between three currencies on the same exchange. For example, you could convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum to USDT, and back to Bitcoin, profiting from price discrepancies in the pairs. Decentralized arbitrage. On decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, you might find price gaps between tokens due to liquidity issues. These can be great opportunities for arbitrage. First, identify exchanges with price differences. Tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or Arbitool can help you spot these gaps. Second, create accounts on multiple exchanges. Popular platforms include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Finally, ensure you factor in transaction fees, withdrawal times, and network congestion, as these can eat into your profits. Arbitrage opportunities disappear quickly, so timing is everything. Also, withdrawal fees and delays between exchanges can turn profits into losses. Crypto arbitrage can be a great way to earn profits with low risk, but it requires speed and attention to detail. Have you tried arbitrage trading? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto strategies.